All right, let's do problem 10. We're supposed to sketch these two parabolas, so I'm going to do it over here, and I'm going to make it kind of big because it's a small area they're talking about. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. We have a parabola that's up 3 and upside down. So if I move over 1, it goes down 1. If I move over 2, it goes down 4. Looks something like this. Not doing a very good job of sketching it. And same on this side, there and there. I'm going to turn this so I can do a better angle. There we go. And then we have the second one, which is 2x squared. 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. And minus 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. And it looks something like this. Okay. Now, on the interval from 0 to 1, sketch and label graph of f of x. That's this one. And on the interval, and then we're supposed to write a definite interval for the area on that. So the area on here from minus 1 to 1, that would be this area, would be the integral from minus 1 to 1 of 3 minus x squared dx. And the area under the red one, which would be this area, would be the integral from minus 1 to 1 of 2x squared dx. Write an expression involving definite integrals whose value is the exact area between these. Well, that would be all the black area here that we had. Excuse me. Minus the red area would be the area between them. So I'd write the integral from minus 1 to 1 of 3 minus x squared dx minus the area that's here, which would give the area between, from minus 1 to 1, the area under 2x squared dx. And this can be also written as just put these two inside, because you can put these together, and so it'd be the integral from minus 1 to 1 of 3 minus x squared minus 2x squared would be minus 3x squared dx. That would stand for the area in between them. Okay? And in general, that's what you can do, is you can just subtract the functions and then find the area, as opposed to doing two separate. You can do it as one single. And that's kind of the point, and that's how you find the area between two graphs. And let's, just for the fun of it, let's see what that is. So the antiderivative of 3 is 3x. The antiderivative of 3x squared is negative x to the third, because 3 times this, x to the 2. And plus c, and then we're going to put in 1 into this to find the area here. We actually get a value. We're going to put the 1 in, the ending value. So we get 3 minus 1, which is 2 plus c, minus, now we're going to put minus 1 in, and minus 1 is -3 plus a -1 cubed is -1, and a minus is +1. So, and plus c. And so this is -2, and we got 2 minus a -2, which is 4, and c minus c is 0, so it's saying the area between them should be 4. Now, just to understand that, I'm going to take a look at this and say, well, if I made an estimate for the area, I might do a triangle like this, and the triangle would be 3 by 1, which would be area of 3 times a half is 1.5 for the triangle, and this is a little bit more than that, maybe as much as a half more. So this would be 2, and there'd be another 2 on this side, so we'd get an area close to 4, and it's making sense. Okay.